Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property is in Dolphin Bay, approximately 50 minutes from the town of Port Antonio. This is a quiet residential community. The property boasts beautiful, well-kept landscape grounds. The property has 2 cottages, which can be used for vacation rentals, consisting of 2 bedrooms, bathroom attached to each other, living room, dining area, kitchen and laundry facilities. The main residential house has a lower and upper floor, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom, kitchen, dining, office area, laundry room, and lots of storage space, helpers quarters and pool area. The size of this property is approximately 26,390 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.